Hexatronic UK offers our customers on-site technical support with our field support technicians, readily available to assist our customers and to ensure all installations run smoothly. Our team can travel across the country to support installers with their projects, providing guidance and technical advice when needed. Jason is one of several employees working for our Hexatronic UK field support team. Today, Jason has been tasked with assisting an installer struggling to successfully blow cable through their duct. Jason will be using the Plumataz mini-jet and the BRK200 compressor to assist with the install. Jason swiftly sets up the tooling equipment and gets going straight away, answering questions and sharing his valuable knowledge on test, setup and deployment for the blown fiber. Our field support ensures that Hexatronic systems give the best quality performance during installation and guarantees a secure network for the future. Hexatronic, industry-leading system solutions for fiber optic communications.